Today, I'm going to show you 5 amazing tricks using the text function in Excel that will save you a lot of time and make your data look more professional. Let's dive right in. Trick 1. Format price as currency with text function. Our first trick involves formatting the price as currency. This is particularly useful when you want your data to look more professional and easier to read. To format the price in cell D2 as currency, use the following formula. Equals. Text, open bracket. D2. Comma. Quotation mark. Dollar sign. Pound sign. Comma. Pound sign. Pound sign. 0. Period. 0. 0. Quotation mark. Close bracket. This will display the price as $1,200, making it clear and professional. Trick 2. Get location after ultra with text after function. Next, we'll use the text after function to extract specific details from the location field. Suppose we want to get the location number after ultra in cell C6. Here's the formula. Equals. Text after. Open bracket. C6. Comma. Quotation mark. Ultra. Quotation mark. Close bracket. This formula extracts the number from the location in cell C6 after the word ultra. Trick 3. Get text before jet in printer model with TEXTBFRE function. Our third trick uses the text before function to extract part of the model name. For example, if we want to get the text before jet in the model name in cell C3, we use equals. Text before. Open bracket. C3. Comma. Quotation mark. Jet. Quotation mark. Close bracket. This formula will return laser, giving us a part of the model name before jet. Trick 4. Join all details of an item with TextJoin function. The fourth trick shows how to use the TextJoin function to combine multiple cell values into one string. This can be extremely useful for creating a comprehensive description. Here's how you can join the details from cells B2, C2, C2, E2, and F2. Equals, text join. Open bracket. Quotation mark. Space. Vertical bar. Space. Quotation mark. Comma. True. Comma. B2. Comma. C2. Comma. C2. Comma. E2. Comma. F2. Close bracket. This formula will combine all these details with as a delimiter, creating a detailed string for better readability. Trick 5. Split equipment and model combine string with text split function. Finally, we'll use the text split function to split a combined text string into separate values. If we join the equipment and model in cells B2 and C2 and then want to split them, we can use equals. Text split. Open bracket. Text join. Open bracket. Quotation mark. Space. Quotation mark. Comma. True. Comma. B2. Comma. C2. Close bracket. Comma. Quotation mark. Space. Quotation mark. Close bracket. This formula first joins the equipment and model with a space and then splits them into separate values. And that's it. These 5 advanced Excel text function tricks will help you manipulate and format your data more effectively. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.